Good. Ready? Keep going. I came from the Dominican Republic about 6 years ago. I used to suffer from asthma when I was a little kid, but it went away. Coming to this country has changed my life. Now I have to carry one of this. There's a pump, and it had it for my asthma. It helped me to control it when I have attacks and everything. I have learned that asthma is a fast-growing disease in the United States, and this is due to air pollution. Good morning, class. My name is Jafet Lopez, and I'm here today to talk to you about the problems of air pollution, the two major causes of the problem, and some of the solutions. First of all, air pollution is a problem that is affecting our nation. The National Institute of Health defines air pollution as a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air, such as car emission, chemicals from factories, dust, pollen, and mold spores. And air pollution affects everybody, and especially people with health problems such as asthma, heart, and lung disease. A research conducted by the National Institute of Environmental Health scientists has shown that long-term exposure to air pollution increases the risk of respiratory illness such as allergy, asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and lung cancer. According to the Environmental Defense Fund, asthma has doubled in the United States since 1980. The disease now affects more than 17 million Americans nationwide, and is the third leading cause of hospitalization among children under the age of 15. Also, according to Dr. John Peters, Director of the Division of Environmental Health in the School's Department of Preventive Medicine, studies show that during the crucial puberty years of a child exposed to high levels of pollution, their lungs all will grow 10% less each year. Now that we know what air pollution is and how it's affecting us, let me talk to you about the causes of air pollution. There are two major causes that I want to speak to you about. The first one is the one from manufacturing. And the source from factory includes carbon monoxide and dioxide, volatile organic compounds and particles, and other poisonous pollutants. According to Jerry Coffey, a well-known doctor, there are not an area on the Earth atmosphere or an ecosystem that has not been altered by the long-term effects of pollution created by manufacturing. And also, according to Environmental Protection Agency, long-term exposure to air pollution can cause cancer and long-term damage to the immune, neurological, reproductive, and respiratory system, and in extreme cases it can even cause death. The next point is the next cause of air pollution is burning of fossil fuel. Fossil fuels are fuels made of organic matter such as coal or oil, and are one of the biggest man-made problems that are affecting us today. According to the World Resources Institute, 8 million deaths are expected because asthma attacks and other lung conditions caused by the burning of fossil fuel between the years of 2000 and 2020. Is this what you want? Is this the future that you want for your family? Because that's the future that we are creating for our next generation. And this is just a small portion of the problem caused by air pollution, and this is why I suggest that we do something about it. There are two solutions that I have found. The first one is that the government should ensure that clean air act standards are followed. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, 17 plants obeying the law are equivalent to taking 26 million cars off the road, and it will also help reduce acid rain by 15%. Also, according to the World Resources Institute, even a small reduction in carbon dioxide emissions from the cars can prevent 700,000 premature death in a matter of 20 years. Other solution is to send a letter or an email to the House of Representatives or to the President and tell them that the rules and regulation of air pollution should be stricter because this is a problem that is affecting our communities. To conclude, we have learned about the problems of air pollution, the two major causes, and some of the solutions. Now I want you guys to take action. Don't just take my word for it, and investigate, because there's so much more about this issue that I didn't talk about in my speech because of the lack of time. But learn more and do something about it, because this is a problem that is affecting all of us, and especially the future of our family. Thank you.
Thank you.